a beautiful, beautiful day in February. Oh boy. This looks a little different, huh? I'm back. Well, until it gets cold again. And I'm bundled up today. Hands are too cold, so that's always a good start. Stop and get some gas. I need to apologize to you guys, and I hope you all understand that I've been MIA because it's been 40, yes, 40 below zero. 40 below zero. It's impossible to ride. That's going to change this coming winter. I will be in Florida for a good chunk of winter riding, so I got to buy some more bikes. Fucking motherfucker, dude. You fucking motherfucker, dude. I swear. What in the fuck is going on here? Why is it like this? It's like trying to shoot gas out. Wasn't even paying attention. Dude, what are we doing here? Come on, I don't want to freak out. I'm gonna have a freak out. I'm gonna have a freak out. It's like my biggest pet peeve is when someone stops immediately and I'm on a motorcycle, because the person behind me is probably on their cell phone looking straight down. God, look at my drip today. You guys, you ever do that, fellow motorcycle riders? I know you guys do. You just look down like, So, you know, it's on point, you know? I really, really enjoy the sound of this bike. I think it's a stock pipe that the guy shortened before me. The roads are super slick. These tires are not good on curves right now. Summertime, just fine. Nice. What the hell's rattle? Jesus Christ, these brakes. Oh my God, you guys. So this thing, yeah, this thing's running Brembo brakes like my Ducati, and this is a whole nother level here. Good God. You lock these things up like it's nothing. Oh! And who said I wasn't an experienced rider? You guys probably didn't see what just happened on the camera. Maybe not. I'll have to play it back. Quick, I don't know. I think it's on par with my my CRF 450. This one almost feels a little slower. I don't know though. This bike is like definitely more I don't know, road legal. Oh, this looks pretty good, huh? This thing sucks for fun in neutral. Hope something's not a little off on it. Okay. Oh, it's dirty. There it is. 2007 Husqvarna SMR 450. I don't know how many miles this thing has. I'm not sure. Maybe like 8,000 miles on it. I'm not 100% sure. It starts really good in the cold. It's got this isn't my plate, so that's the one that came on the bike. Don't run my, I don't really care. I don't live in Minnesota. Yeah, so the guy that had this, he powder coated the, right here, I'll give you guys a little, and I'll shut it off here. Alright, so the guy that had this stripped it down, powder coated the frame, swing arm, and the subframe. So these two are done in black. It's all powder coat, and then he did the subframe in red, which turned out very nice. The wheels have seen better days. This one's got a ding, but it doesn't matter, it runs tubes anyways. So these bikes are sweet because if you look, hopefully it doesn't tip over, but if you look, you can't see it, so it's got Brembo brakes on it, and they are really, really good. So I really like that. This bike's got blinkers on it, headlight, tail lights. It's fully road legal, whereas like my CRF that you guys saw, that one had a tail light, headlight, but the blinkers were non-existent. But yeah, this is the new bike, so I sold everything else off. So we're gonna roll with this for the spring, and then I'm gonna start looking for some other bikes as well. So I'm sorry I've been MIA. Thanks to winter, that's a reason why, but that won't happen this coming winter. As I said before, there will be a bike stored down in Florida, so I can at least try and get down there once a month to ride. So yeah, I gotta get some groceries. I got my backpack. But if you guys like this video, yeah, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment. I respond almost to every single comment, you guys. So unless you're being kind of douchey, I'll just probably block you. But otherwise, if you guys have questions for me or any ideas, like any riding ideas, anything, leave them below. So I bought a big whiteboard, and I'm doing a whole bunch of different ideas on there. So if you guys want any videos done or anything like that, leave a comment, say hi, I'll respond back. Check out my TikTok too. So alrighty, I will see you guys later. Peace.